Good morning, children. Now, moving towards the second part of the video on chapter 22 India and the World. Now, in the earlier video, we have studied about map and its various types. Now, today we'll study about globe. Now, what is a globe? Globe is a small model of the earth. It gives us a clear picture of what exactly the earth looks like. Here you can see, children, it is a globe and it is a small model. मतलब अर्थ ऐसे ही दिखता होगा, आपको एक क्लियर पिक्चर दिखाता है कि इस तरह से यू कैन सी various the location of various oceans, continents, countries, and various places on our earth. Then both the globe and the maps have circular or semicircular lines running across them. The lines that run in circles are called latitude. जो लाइंस सर्कल में ऊपर से नीचे तक ग्लोब को कवर करती हैं उसको लैटिट्यूड कहते हैं और दोज दैट रन इन सेमी सर्कल आर कॉल्ड longitudes. You can see, children, over here the lines which run from here to here are called latitudes, and those lines which run in semicircular part are called longitudes. Clear, children? So what is a globe? Globe is a model of a earth. It shows the clear picture of the earth. Then in the globe you can see various lines are there. Some lines are circular and some lines are semicircular. The lines which are in circles are called latitudes and those in semicircles are longitudes. The globe, which is fixed on a rod, is slightly inclined. You can see, children, the globe, it is fixed on a rod. This rod is there and you can see that it is slightly inclined. This is a rod and the globe is slightly inclined. It is an imaginary line that denotes the axis of the earth. The topmost point on the axis is called the North Pole, while the bottommost point is called the South Pole. Here you can see, children, this is a clear picture of the globe and it shows that those lines which are running from here to here, see, from here to here, here to here, here to here, are called the latitudes, right, children? And those lines which are running in semicircles like this way, they are known as longitudes. And where is the North Pole and where is the South Pole? The topmost point on the axis. Here is the topmost point, है ना? Here is the topmost point. सबसे ऊपर वाला point is known as North Pole and the bottommost point, सबसे नीचे वाला point, is known as the South Pole. And children, days and nights are a result of Earth rotating on its axis. In the earlier classes, when you will go to class 6, you will find out that how days and nights are caused. So children, days and nights are caused due to the rotation of earth on its axis, right, children? So you can see over here the latitudes. Now let's find more about the latitude. They are imaginary lines running from west to east, and the main latitudes are 0 degree, right, children? It is known as equator. Here you can see, children, this is known as equator. It is 0 degree and it divides the earth into two equal halves. ऊपर वाला is known as northern hemisphere and the bottom one is known as southern hemisphere. Because it is in north part, so it is known as northern hemisphere, and it is in south part, so it is known as southern hemisphere. In the north part, Tropic of Cancer is there and Arctic Circle is there. Tropic of Cancer is somewhere here 23° north, and Arctic Circle is here somewhere here 66.5° north. And in the southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic circles are there somewhere here and here, right children? तो इधर साउथ वाला होता है, इधर नॉर्थ वाला होता है. एंड वाई we need to study about the latitudes and longitudes? Because they tell, due to those imaginary lines on the globe, we understand the location of the places. Okay children, these degree helps us in finding out the places on the world, right children? So I hope you have understood this North Pole, this North Pole, then South Pole, then 0° is always equator, then these two lines of latitude known as Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, then Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle, right children? Then North Pole is 90° and South Pole is 90° south. All lines are parallel. All these lines which you can see over here, all these lines children, they are parallel to each other. What does parallel means? That they never meet, right children? And then they are measured in degree and they help us to find places. Then moving further to longitudes. What are longitudes? As you can see over here children, they are imaginary semicircular lines, right children, and which are running from North Pole to South Pole. They are semicircle lines. They are equal in, you can see over here children, semicircle lines are known as longitudinals and they are equal in length. एक बराबर लेंथ होती है उनकी. They are also measured in degree. You can see 0°, you can see 0°, then 15°, then 30°, 45, 60, 75, 90 eastern part, then 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 in west part. So they are measured in degree. Then 0° meridian. Here you can see children, what is this? This is 0° meridian. Like we earlier had 0° equator, in this 0° meridian is there, and it is known as what it is known as? It is known as prime meridian, which passes through London. Okay children, and the other meridians are marked east, west respectively of the prime meridian. इस prime meridian से हम other meridians को mark करते हैं, whether it is in the eastern part or it is in the western part. And what does they help us? They help us in calculating time, right children? Those latitudes helped us in finding about the places on the world map, on the globe, and these longitudes helps us in calculating time, and so the globes also help us to find the actual location of the place. I hope children you have understood about the longitudes and the latitudes. It's very important. They are imaginary lines which are drawn to reveal us the actual position, actual location of a place, as well to calculate time. They are measured in degrees. They are of equal length. Then 0° meridian is known as prime meridian, which passes through London. So I hope this part of the video is very clear to all of you. So watch the video once again children. Go through your chapter. It's a very interesting chapter and you should always know about different types of maps and the globe. of our country, of the whole world. Thank you children for watching the video.